Oh, no. Do you know, it just pains me to see such a classy lady look so sad. Is everything okay?
No. I just moved in at the Devereaux, and I'm feeling unwanted. I promised my dearest friend Walter I'll take care of his family while he's gone. But I'm just getting in the way. I'm trying to make things easier, but everything I do is wrong.
Well, if you want my advice, don't beat yourself up about it. I used to be married to a Devereaux, so I know how hard it can be to break in. Hey, do you like musicals?
I can harmonize with the best of them.
Ooh. Well, my friends just texted and cancelled on me, so would you like to come and see a show?
I'd love that. I'm Pearl, by the way.
I'm Scott.
Okay, so I've asked Tony to wait outside, yeah? But we really need to get Henry to the hospital now.
You said you're on my side. He'll be fine.
But it's not gonna hurt to know for sure.
I'm not taking him to an hospital. You've got no idea what happens in them places. I know what's best for my son.
And you're right. Only a mother knows what's best for their child. You know, every time my Eva cries, I can feel it right down to my bones, and I know you feel the same way.
And that's why I know taking him to a hospital is a bad idea. All they're gonna do is say that he's ill and fill him with loads of toxins. The research is there, Diane, all online.
I understand needing to be in control of everything, but it's harming your son. Stop! No, I won't. Listen to him. He's in pain. You know, even if you are afraid, you have to do everything you can to help him.
This is all about Tony.
I don't like making threats, but you are giving me no option. Now, I am not gonna drag your baby from you, but if you don't get up right now, I will call social services and they can take Henry to get checked out.
I don't think I've ever spoken to so many doctors in one day before.
I'm running out of things to try.
Keep an eye on Imran, would you? You're such a big brother to him. Keep him from doing something impulsive.
Yeah, of course.
I'm sorry I'm putting all of you through this.
Listen, this is not your fault. You can't keep blaming yourself, okay? We're all here for you.
What do you want to do?
If Ali comes after Shaq, I want a case that's irrefutable. I'm a woman of colour accusing a well-respected man. We need to have something solid.
Hey, you're doing the right thing.
I'm only doing this because you threatened me. I still think you're wrong. We can always leave.
We're going in. Come on. Germs, the bacteria, everywhere. All the sick people and the staph infections. You could bring something home to Eva.
Are you coming then?
Yeah.
That was great. Oh, thank you for being so nice to me. I needed a pick-me.
Well, I know what it's like living in someone else's house, trying to be as unobtrusive as possible. But Martine, she's probably just being territorial. She's used to being the matriarch.
I don't want to step on any toes. I just want to keep my promise.
Well, I might have just the idea to help you do that.
Well, I'm ready to try anything.
Everyone's making phone calls and keeps talking while that guy's out there getting awards.
What else are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Something.
Your mom doesn't want us to do anything impulsive.
Sorry, my mum. Shaq, she's your mum too. Why aren't you angry at all of this? You're a victim. You should want to break something.
Anger got me nowhere last time with Ali. Now he's threatening me with jail.
Maybe you didn't go far enough.
Maybe. Violence isn't the answer now, though.
Everyone needs to know what kind of man he is. Otherwise, he's gonna keep on getting away with it.
Hey, you had a nice day?
Yeah, I've spent the day cheering up the Devereux's new house guest. Successfully, too, I might add. Do you know, I should really start hiring out my services.
What happened?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, I've left Becky at the hospital. I wanted to stay, but the doctor needs to talk to her privately, so...
Hey, it's okay.
No, it's not. No, I chose Becky over you. I trusted every word she said. You know, she seemed to have all the answers. But watching her explain away that poor baby's cries... Tony, I'm so sorry I didn't believe you. I just hope Henry's okay. You know, he's only tiny, and he deserves to get all the care he can get.
What are you going to do about Becky?
Well, if I'm to keep my mental health in check, I cannot be around that woman. She's toxic. So I'm going to have to end the friendship. For both our sakes.
Cancel all your plans for tomorrow.
Pardon?
I'm throwing a girls' breakfast.
With who? Cleo and Teresa aren't really speaking to me at the moment.
Oh, they'll be there. Trust me.
This is completely unnecessary. I've said I'm fine.
You said you didn't care about the merger. Verity Hutchinson, not caring about work. I mean, either you're a body snatcher or something really bad has happened.
I've told you.
It's fine if you don't want to talk about it. But you don't look like yourself. I mean, you're wearing trainers. I'm not taking no for an answer.
Thank you.
I'm not sure I can do this. No, what if she gets upset? You saw how she reacted when I suggested Henry go to the hospital.
Well, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. And if she starts throwing things, I'll be your Gordon Banks. English goalkeeper, World Cup 1966. Hey, she's coming.
Becky? What's happened?
He's still at the hospital. They said he's got meningitis.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's not it. After you left, the doctor said that he's worried about his hearing. They're gonna do a test tomorrow, but...
Okay.
Basically, my little boy might be deaf.
We haven't found anything yet, but we're not giving up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to remember anything I knew about him from that time. But I never wanted to think about him.
You should go home. Think about anything else, at least for tonight.
You're right. It's been a lot today. I'll see you both later.
They've got to be joking. The Calf's coffee delivery is delayed by 4 hours.
Is everything all right?
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
Well, you barely listened to Misbah, and now you're snapping at me.
What do you think I'm going to make anything about me when Mum's going through all this?
Yes. It can be about you sometimes, you know.
No, it can. I can't stop thinking about how hard it must have been for Mum to keep this secret all these years. How scared she must have been. She's been so strong, and I can't be the one to fall apart because I can't handle it.
You can't bottle all this up either. Have you told Tom?
I've said that something's up with Mum, but I haven't been specific. At home with him, I can pretend like none of this is happening. I know that sounds silly, but I like having somewhere where all this pain can't touch.
Yeah, I think we all feel like that sometimes. But he's your husband. Isn't he there to support you?
He's been so patient. He didn't push me or ask for more. I think he knows I need somewhere to feel safe.
Look, we've all had our moments, and you're right, this isn't about us. It's okay to need a minute. We're all in this together. And yes, we need to look after Misbah, but we need to look after each other as well.
Dr. Shazad, I'd love to get a few quotes for the article.
I think it would be better if we heard from one of the patients. After all, I don't want to toot my own horn. Martine, would you mind?
Not at all.
What did you think to the ceremony?
I thought it was tasteful, and I mean, we're just all grateful that Dr. Sajada's here. In my case, he managed to give me something that I almost lost. Hope.
I've got a question. How would your patients feel if they knew what kind of man you really were?
Look, I would just like to say a heartfelt thank you to all of the patients and staff at Dee Valley for such an exceptional welcome. I came here for Martine, and I dedicate this award to her and her resilience and bravery. I, of course, had all the knowledge, but without her perseverance, it would have meant nothing.
Hear, hear.
This man is not the great guy you all think he is. He's not fit to call himself a doctor, and you all should not be rewarding him.
He's a rapist!
He raped my mom.
This is bigger than some silly fight about the dog. V needs us. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Great.